Hi! In this video, we'll talk about the Moxy Acid Cleaner review and if it's legit or not. So here's the Moxy Acid Cleaner. You can buy it if you want. However, I advise you to listen to me first. So it has some safety concerns because it's an acid-based formula that can harm skin and sensitive surfaces if not used properly. I recommend to use spot testing first. So the ingredient has limited disclosure, which means that detailed ingredient information raises questions about safety for various surfaces. So there's actually no customer reviews, making it difficult to assess effectiveness. The trust score is also low, indicating potential risk. So for the conclusion, while Moxie Acid Cleaner may work for top stains, the safety concerns and lack of transparency suggest caution. So if you want to buy it, make sure to consider this factor first before purchasing. So that's all there is to know about the Moxie Acid Cleaner review, and I hope this video helped you out.